When the Cybertruck was unveiled over 4 years ago, it was supposed to have a price of around $60,000 for the all-wheel drive, have 500 miles of range, and look like this incredible spaceship-looking thing from the future. And they did deliver on the looks. I do personally love the looks. People are divided on it, but I personally love it. But what we got as far as specs isn't the same. Foundation Series, to own the very first Cybertruck, you had to pay a minimum of $100,000. And the range, only 340 miles, or you could pay an extra 15 grand for a range extender that takes up a lot of your rear cargo space. You buy a truck to haul things, so you have to sacrifice that bed space for another 100 or so miles. And with a Cybertruck, you're supposed to get a lot of extras, not just the laser-etched Foundation Series thing on the body. You're supposed to get full self-driving standards, so the autopilot system. You're supposed to get a cool light bar across the top, and Tesla's really cool power share that allows you to plug in the Tesla, and say if your power goes out, it automatically kicks on as a backup generator and can run your home. But I haven't gotten any of those things.